Hi, I'm Greg from Sanifos SFA. I'd like to introduce an exciting new product, the Sanifos 1000 ZFS Twin. Now this unit is a 1,000 litre Inground pump station with twin heavy duty cutter pumps. The tank's manufactured at the highest standard, the AS 1546. With its robust heavy duty PE construction, it's perfect for in-ground applications. It'll push 20 metres of vertical head, and it's ideal for single dwelling where you may have up to 5 occupants. So plenty of storage capacity, especially if the power goes out. Let's talk about internals. Now the unit comes complete with chlorinated PVC hydraulic assembly, isolation valve, check valve, lifting chains, heavy duty stainless steel guide rails, and twin Sanipump ZFS 71 cutter pumps. Now these pumps will do 20 metres of vertical head. They're very heavy duty, so where you need higher lift, it's the perfect unit for that. The unit also comes with an intelligent controller which monitors performance, and you can set parameters. It also has a 500 kilo rated non-trafficable lid, so it's ideal for the backyard. Don't forget, the Sanifos 1000 ZFS Twin comes with the SFA full on-site after-sales service, so that's peace of mind. So please, for any more information on this product, jump on our website. You can download product page, instruction files, ballast instructions, all the information you need for this product.